Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to 1 Minute School. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get a job in Upwork if you have basic knowledge on English. So let's do it. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get a review job. So you can see that's my Upwork profile. I'm gonna click on my job and then click on all contract. So you can see that here I have done one job reviews on WordPress plugin. So you can see that I have completed the work with 5-star ratings, and if we click on that and click on the details, click show details. Now you can see that the buyer gave me 5-star rating. I also provided him 5-star. So if we select on a message, then we can see that I provided my delivery here. Now click on that, and you can see that I provided my review on a WordPress plugin. Click on that. You can see that I provided also another review on a Chrome extension. So guys, you can do just a review job on Upwork. It's really paying, and you can start as a beginner. Now I'm gonna show you how to get a review job. You need to click on the find work, then you should search here reviews. Wait. Now you can see that here is many job available, near 3,267 on review. Now you can find out that, and you can apply for this. So guys, if you like my videos, please press and hit on the subscribe button.